Students, let's continue chapter 4, rational numbers. Now in this video we are going to discuss how to compare two or more rational numbers and how to find 5 or 6 or 7 rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Now the first one is, which of the following rational numbers is greater? These two rational numbers are given. So first most important step is make the denominator positive. Make the denominator of rational numbers positive by multiplying it with its numerator and denominator by -1. So we get -4/3. So now we have 4 -4 upon 3 and -8/7. Now take the LCM of the positive denominators. We have done the same sum in fractions also. Take the LCM of the positive denominators. So LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Now we have taken the LCM of 3 and 7, that is 21. So we want each rational number, express each rational number with LCM as a common denominator. We want that both the rational number have denominator 21. So for this, what we will do? We will multiply first term by 7, its numerator and denominator both multiply by 7, and second will be multiplied by 3. So what comes in the denominator? Denominator is 21, we already know. What comes in the numerator? -28 and -24. So now see which rational number is bigger, -28 or -24. So here -24 is bigger. Why? Because both the terms have negative sign. The smaller number with negative sign is always bigger. So we can say 4/-3 is less than -8/7. What we can say? 4/-3 is less than -8/7. Now look at the second sum. Arrange 2/3, 3/4, 5/-6, -7/12 in ascending order. Again, the first most important step is arrange, just convert this negative denominator with positive denominator. So how can we convert? Again, multiply by -1. Its numerator multiplied and denominator multiplied by -1. So we get -5/6. So now we have rational numbers 2/3, 3/4, -5/6, -7/12. Now take the LCM of these positive denominator, LCM of 3, 4, 6 and 12. That is, if you find out the LCM 3, 4, 6, 12, first it will go on 2, here it comes 6. Now again it will be divisible, two numbers are divisible by 2. Here comes 3. So what comes here? 1, 1. So LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. So again express each rational number with LCM as its common denominator. So we want this has denominator 12. We want this has denominator 12. We want -5/6, denominator is 12, and -7/12 has denominator 12. So it has already denominator 12. So leave it as it is. So now what we will do? Here we multiply by 4. So what comes in the numerator? 8. Here we multiply by 3. The rule says that we multiply by numerator and denominator by same non-zero number. It will be same. We cannot multiply these by different numbers. So here it comes 9. So here we multiply by 2. 6 2s are 12. 5 2 -5 2s are -10. And -7/12 remain as it is. because the denominator is 12 only. Now we have all the rational number with LCM as its denominator. Now we want to arrange this in ascending order. So see, this number is 8 by 12, 9 by 12, minus 10 by 12, minus 7 by 12. So we know ascending order, in ascending order we write smallest to biggest. In this number we have two positive and two negative numbers, and we know negative numbers are always smaller than positive numbers. So we know that these two negative numbers comes out of these, one number comes first. So which one, minus 10 or minus 7? First we will compare these two. Minus 10 is smaller than minus 7 or minus 7 is smaller than minus 10. As I told you that if we have both the negative sign, in first sum I told you, if we have both the negative sign, the smaller number with the negative sign is always bigger. So in this, minus 7 is bigger than minus 10. But we want to take smallest number first. So smallest is minus 10 by 12, less than minus 7 by 12. Now further positive number, this comparison is as remained same. 8 by 12, 9 by 12. Now what is the original form of all these? Minus 10 by 12 is minus 5 by 6, comma, minus 7 by 12 as it is, 8 by 12 it is equivalent to 2 by 3, 9 by 12 is equivalent to 3 by 4, are in ascending order. These all rational numbers are in ascending orders. So this is same as we have done in our fraction chapter, but here we have followed negative signs also. Now we are going to discuss our third question, that is find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2. What is the question? Find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2. So now what is the, how to do this? Minus 3 and minus 2. Nothing is in denominator, we put 1. Now we know that there are infinite rational number between two rational numbers. So minus 3 by 1, minus 2 by 1. So nothing is there, we put 1 in the denominator. So we want to find 5 rational number. So we will multiply by 6. Its numerator and denominator multiply by 6. If we want to find 7, we will multiply by 8. So here comes minus 18 by 6 and minus 12 by 6. So we want to find out 5 rational number between these two. So what are that rational numbers? Minus 17 by 6, minus 16 by 6, minus 15 by 6, minus 14 by 6, minus 13 by 6. So count, these are 5 rational numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our 5 rational numbers are rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2. This is very simple. What I am repeating. First is, we have seen that nothing is in the denominator. We put 1. That first step is denominator should be same. So nothing is there in the denominator, we put 1, so it is same in both the conditions. Now second, I told you that if you want to find 5 rational number, multiply by 6. If you want to find 6, multiply by 7. But the condition is you multiply both numerator and denominator. So we multiply by 6. So we get here minus 18 by 6, minus 12 by 6. So now we want to find rational number between these two rational numbers. So we have taken out, we know number line. We know number line. We have taken out minus 17 by 6, minus 16 by 6, minus 14 by 6, minus 13 by 6 are 5 rational numbers between minus 3 and at the fourth question. So fourth question, in this two rational numbers are minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. So what is our first step? First step is denominator should be same. So in this case denominator is not same. So for that, first step is your denominator should be positive. It's already positive. If it is not positive, we will make positive. So now second is denominator should be same. So denominator is not same, so we'll take LCM of denominator. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So express each rational number with LCM as denominator. So how can we express? Here we multiply by 3, in this we will multiply by 5. So what we get here? Minus 12 by 15, minus 10 by 15. So we get minus 12 by 15 and minus 10 by 15. So we get two rational numbers. So now we want to find out 4 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So with which number we multiply? We multiply by 5. So we multiply by 5. So here we get minus 60 by 75, minus 50 by 75. So we want only 4 rational numbers. But in this sum, we can find out 10 rational numbers. Like minus 60, you can say minus 59 by 75, minus 58 by 75, minus 57 by 75, minus 56 by 75, and in this way continue as it is minus 55 by 75, minus 54 by 75, minus 53 by 75, minus 52 by 75, and so on, minus 51 by 75. So we can find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rational numbers. But we want only 4 rational numbers. We want only 4 rational numbers. So you can choose any 4 rational numbers. So suppose we can choose minus 59 by 75, minus 58 by 75, minus 57 by 75, minus 56 by 75. We have chosen these 4 rational numbers between which numbers? Minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. So the rule is same in both the sums. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.